All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. This is a very important information concerning the Yoruba Nation mega rally. Ìkìlọ̀ pàtàkì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mega rally Yoruba Nation. Yeah, so and then as it stands right now, many things will be happening. The declaration is just like a few steps away, Don't be surprised that they might just declare that tomorrow is the mega rally, next tomorrow is the mega rally. So right now, the information that had been sent to pass across is that this is not the time to keep malice with anybody. This is not the time to be fighting one another. This is not the time to be, to be discussing negative things about one another. This is the time to show love. Yeah, so this exactly is the time to show love. According to the news reaching us right now, it has been gathered that the Yoruba Nation mega rally is just very close by and it will not exceed 2022. You understand what I mean? In fact, as it starts right now, let's assume the month is gone, October is gone, we are in, let's say, November. We just have this November and then December to declare Yoruba Nation. Is that not a good news? And then it has been said that this is not the time for anybody to quarrel each other. This is not the time for you to keep malice. The Yorubas will say time something like that. I know majority of Yoruba people will understand what I mean by that. This is not the time to be backbiting. Oh my goodness. Well, this is getting interesting. Before I finish up with what message is on ground right now, then you will be happy. You will know that the Yoruba Nation agitators are not playing. All right, this time around, it has been gathered that on that mega rally day, it's not going to be the same mega rally we have been having. It's not going to be like the answers of a thing. This one, there will be a lot of food to eat. There will be a lot of music will be on ground, and then we are going to remain on that field according to what had been said. And though some set of people can be in their houses and all that, but there's going to be a particular place that the majority of people will gather. If you can't come there, fine. And it has been gathered that there will be the uniform, the dress code for that day is going to be pure white, like white or true white. And then it has been said that this is not the time for us to be quarreling each other, because right now a lot of people should on their own parts, group by group. If you have a very large group, you people should contribute some money, get food for your people. Let there be food. And there are some other people who do not have a group. This set of people, let the food be surplus so that they can eat and they will be strong. He said this time around, let everybody buy food. Let there be foodstuffs in your houses. Yeah, so this is not it's no longer a joke. Let there be foodstuff in your houses. Let there be drinks. Yes, withdraw enough money. In fact, buy a lot of things in your house. Say that because on that day, a lot of things, we don't know what will happen, but many things will happen. Like even the federal government might want to, bring down internet. This is exactly what information that is reaching us right now, that they might want to bring down internet. So everybody buy torchlight, buy enough battery. Let there be light, let there be enough food, because Yoruba Nation is going to be declared. Yes, so withdraw money and then buy things, and that's exactly what is coming in right now. Let there be food everywhere. That's in fact they were hammering on food, drinks, and the lights. Yes, get torchlight, get battery, full battery that can serve you for a long time. This Yoruba Nation, it has been achieved already. So either they like it or not, is here, and that's the information reaching us right now. Go and buy food for your group. Buy all the available food. Okay, buy all the available food stuffs. make them ready. Okay, yeah, you can see that I wrote, in fact I jotted some things down so that I won't forget. Okay, let me take that again. Say go and buy food for your group. Yes, it has been gathered that a lot of people have groups, one group or the other, so let there be surplus of food. Let every group get enough food on ground for people to eat. And because it has been gathered that this mega rally is going to be a long day, it's going to be a long day, they try as much as possible to get enough toothpaste, toothbrush. In fact, if they even said that if you have enough toothpick, pack everything, buy everything down on that day. That Yoruba Nation mega rally is not going to be a joke, and that day of the rally we shall declare Yoruba Nation. Say amen, somebody. Amen. No. All right. So and then it has been defined as a day of celebration. It has been defined as a day to marry. It has been defined as a day of jubilations. Yes, and exactly what it is right now. Let everybody come together in one accord. There should be love henceforth. Like ma quarrel, ma buying kanja, ma niko seno peleyan kankan. Yes, so and this time around is the time to show love to one another. Let there be love, and bear it in mind. Yoruba Nation movement is just the mega rally, so to say, is just by the corner between now and December. Yes, so it must not get to January. It will not exceed, and any moment it shall be announced. My brother, my sister, this is getting interesting. And then the most interesting part of it is that there's going to be a lot of jubilations on that day. And meanwhile, it has also been gathered that let all the Yoruba warriors be available. Yes, so because this set of people will be definitely available. Prepare yourself. Nǹkan tó bá lè mu ni kó mu, nǹkan tó bá lè jẹ kó jẹ, tó bá lè jẹ̀fọ́ kó jẹ̀fọ́, tó bá lè mu mi kó mu mi. Ó ti yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. So right now, as it stands, everybody needs to be on ground on that day. Yes, so on that day you will see me. I will be there. Pilado World Live. We are going to be there live. Yes, so no going back. Yoruba Nation movement, no going back. Yes, we shall actualize this nation. Yes, so Yoruba Nation shall be actualized because the suffering is too much. Yes, so and this time around, the suffering of our people is going to stop in Jesus' mighty name. We say very big amen. In any way you can pray, try as much as possible to pray very hard. Yes, so this shall be actualized. In any doctrine you believe in, make sure you are on point that day, because there is no longer shere kokin shere mo, according to what had been gathered. Yes, so and then meanwhile it has been said that we are not going to fight on that day because the Yoruba people are peaceful people. Now the government of Nigeria, not them they kiki they kpai, but we know they kpai since we don't even start this thing. We never even march a foul before. Okay, you understand what that means? That is to tell you that God is going to fight the battle for the Yoruba people. Meanwhile, nǹkan tó bá lè jẹ ni kó jẹ, tó bá lè jẹ fọ́ kó jẹ fọ́. I always like that part, my brother, my sister. Well, the truth of the matter right now is that Yoruba Nation, there is God in it and there is no going back. All right, my people, that's it on this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.